Fuck is up, guys? A long time no see. Um, been getting fucked by school, but that's not as badly as we've been getting fucked by the market. Okay, still a break-even trader over here. Haven't broken the key to profitability, but look at today, or yeah, today. I think it was like $200 profit, something like that. So I'm close to that. Three trades, one loss, one break even, and one win. Kinda. I kind of break down the last one a bit more. Um, this was after this was in power hour. So the last hour of market, 3 to 4 o'clock. I got to work. I was on a floor by myself, so I get to just chill for a little bit, and I had plenty of time. So I pulled up the charts and started charting a little bit. Um, Really, I just looked at what we did in the morning time, and we were pretty bearish during the morning because, well, from market open, we absolutely rocketed up. And then after 10 o'clock, pretty much, it was just after the macro ended, it was over with. It was over with. But, yeah, we came down here and I was like, okay, just gonna be looking for some inversions to take. I'm not sure why I took this short at first because I saw that we had already swept this level of liquidity here. So I should have been expecting the reversal. Um, but I don't know. I got tricked out on my entry. I entered here after we swept two levels of liquidity. So literally our two deepest levels of liquidity we had already swept, and I still decided to enter. Um, so that makes plenty of sense, of course. Swept both. What the fuck did I even enter off of? Like, was there a fair value? I don't know what the hell I entered off of. I'm gonna be completely honest. But yeah, it shows. So that was like a $200 loss. This one here, we entered up here after this candle close, and we I'll just delete that one. As you can see, this tiny inverse along with, right, um there's this tiny inversion, and then this um the candle after we confirmed the inversion, right, created a bullish fair value gap. So that was like double the confluences dopped on each other. So I took a market order here. I think it was around here was my first entry, and I added another buy limit down here on the inversion just in case we came back, because I was confident we were going to come back down and then continue running. And we did exactly that. So we dropped down in two contracts. Stops are still at the same spot. Um, and then what happened here was once we hit, I don't think I took very good RR on this first one. It was a little bit less than 1R. I think it was around 0.75 or 0.7, somewhere around there. 0.75R. I took off one contract and then moved my stop to break even. And luckily, because look at that, we came back and we got stopped out at break even. So that put us at like negative $70 on the day at that point. And I was like, okay, I'm so confident in this draw being here at this fair value gap. Wasn't really looking at the bigger picture. Kind of was busy at work, but that's besides the point. Should have been targeting this high up here. That would have been the most logical. Look at the RR on that, 3.25R. But again, hindsight is 2020, right? Backside. All right. Hindsight is 2020, right? So we took a tiny fucking awful risk reward trade. went into extreme drawdown. Didn't even really have a stop on this, but I was like, if we don't respect this fair value gap, I know we're fucked. And not only did we respect it, but we rocketed. Finally used a breaker block again. Like breaker block showed another appearance. We had a little unicorn setup here, and it was a little bit too good for me to not take. So we had the fair value gap and the breaker overlapping. Had to enter long. But what I should have seen was this fair value gap here. Could have done the same thing I did with this one. Threw in another contract, held my runner. But hey, you live and you learn. But that's it for today's trading recap. It's nice to be back. It's literally been like a month. But I'm gonna go to sleep now because tomorrow I plan on vlogging. I really am trying to get back into the swing of things. Need to get my discipline back into shape. And also I got a new toy I gotta show y'all. So definitely stay tuned. Be watching for the vlogs, all right? But make sure y'all like and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all in the next video or next vlog. All right, peace.